Today I am going to discuss on volatile oils and resins combination. What is a volatile oils? Volatile oils are defined as the odorous and volatile constituents of plant and animal species. Volatile oils are also termed as ethereal oils because they evaporate when exposed to air at an ordinary temperature, and they are also called as a essential oil as they are essences or active constituent of the plant. Volatile oil, it is a concentrated hydrophobic liquid containing volatile aroma compounds from plant. Chemically, they are derived from the hydrocarbons and their oxygenated derivatives. They are composed of terpenes, monoterpenes, sesquiterpene, diterpenes and polyterpenes and their derivatives. The volatile oil are present in a entire plant or any part of the plant such as bark, fruit, leaf, root, rhizome, wood and etc. They they are mostly found in a plants family like the Pinaceae, Apiaceae, Rutaceae, etc. Next, we will see the properties of the volatile oil. Majority of volatile oil possesses a characteristics odor which differ from one specimen to another. Volatile oils evaporate completely at a room temperature and do not leave spot on the paper, and which is a lighter than water, which is a optically volatile oils are optically active and which have a high refractive index and specific rotations and which possesses a distinct odor. Commonly found in the species of the Labiataceae, Rutaceae, Piperaceae, Gingiberaceae, Umbelliferae, Myrtaceae and Lauraceae. They do not leave stains like fixed oil. The volatile oil, it is insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol, chloroform, ether, acetone and carbon disulfide, etc. They should be stored in a cool, dry place in a tightly stopper container, and that is a full container or amber color glass containers. Next, we will see the classification of the volatile oil. The volatile oils and volatile oil containing drugs are classified as follows. First, we will see the class and then after that example of the drug. The first, alcohol volatile oil. The example of the drug, it is a menthol, coriander, xanthalol, then borneol. Then aldehyde volatile oil, cinnamaldehyde, then citral and benzyl aldehyde. Ester volatile oil, example it is a lavender and mustard. Hydrocarbon volatile oil, example turpentine and caryophyllene. Then ketone volatile oil, example it is a carvone, camphor, menthone, muscone, civetone. Next, oxide volatile oil, example ascaridol and cineol. Phenolic ether volatile oil, example chavicol and anethol. And phenol volatile oil, example it is a eugenol, which is found in a clove. The occurrence of the volatile oils. The storage of the essential oil, it is stored in a mainly external secretory cells, internal secretory structures and essential oil cells. In a external secretory cells which are present in a glandular trichomes, and internal secretory cells, it is a secretory cavities and ducts. Next, we will see the isolation of the volatile oil. The volatile oils are extracted by the following methods such as distillations, then enfleurage, Equille method and liquid carbon dioxide method. First, we will see the distillation. That is a hydrodistillation. It is a common method in which water is used to extract the volatile oils from herbal drugs. It is employed for the drugs those constituents do not degrade by boiling up to 100 degrees Celsius. And in a water and steam distillation, it is generally employed to those drugs which constituent undergo degradation by direct boiling. And in this method is comprising of the water distillation and steam distillation. The steam distillation is used for extraction of volatile oil from herbal drugs, and fresh material is subjected to hydrodistillation. In case of the leaf drugs, air dried subterranean parts are extracted by steam distillation. The steam distillation, it is generally used for the fresh drugs which contain the moisture and do not require the maceration. Next, enfleurage. This method, it is used for the extraction of the delicate perfumes. And in this method, a layer of fat is applied on a glass plate which are arranged in a wooden frame. The drugs is sprayed on the glass plate and allowed to imbibe in the fat for 24 hours, after which our exhausted petals are removed. After that, and replaced by the fresh flower petals. This process is carried out till the fatty material is saturated with essential oil, and saturated fatty material is then extracted with alcohol and to separate the volatile oil. Next, we will see the equal method, in which this method, it is used for the extraction of the citrus oil, wherein oil cells in a ring are ruptured mechanically using pointed projections by twisting raw material over them in a clockwise direction, either mechanically or manually. The last method, it is a liquid carbon dioxide method, in which the liquid carbon dioxide method is also used to extract the essential oil when liquefied under pressure. It acts on a solvent, reversing back to gaseous nature when pressure is reduced, leaving no residue of a solvent. Next, we will see the chemical test of volatile oil. Presence of volatile oil in the natural drugs can be detected by the following test. First test, it is to the thin section of the drug, add a alcoholic solution of Sudan red 3. Red color obtained by globulus indicate the presence of volatile oil. After second test, to the thin section of the drug, add a drop of the tincture alkana. Red color indicate the presence of the volatile oil. Certain volatile oil are liable to deteriorate. On keeping the deteriorations is accompanied by change in color or increase in the viscosity of the oil and change in the odor of the oil. Therefore, volatile oil should be preserved properly in a well closed container and which is away from the light and placed in a cool place. Next, we will see the resins and resins combination. First, we will see the resins. The resins are defined as amorphous non-nitrogenous products of complex chemical nature. Resins are the mixture of essential oil, oxygenated product of terpenes, and carboxylic acid. Resins are solid or semi-solid amorphous product derived from natural living sources and are mostly from the plant origin. Is a shellac that is obtained from the secretion of insect. Resins are the secondary metabolite which is produced by the higher plant and nothing but oxidative product of terpene. Resins obtained as a exudates from the plant and considered as the end product of metabolism. The resin, it is a solid and semi-solid amorphous product of complex chemical nature. Next, we will see the resin of the distribution of the resins. Resins are generally distributed in plants and rarely in the insect, For example, shellac. They are the present in the ducts or cavities known as a caesareous duct types. And there is a two types, normal or physiological resins, and second it is a abnormal or pathological resins. In a normal or physiological resins, in which the resins are preformed in a plants and making injury to the plant and can increase their yield. And in a abnormal or pathological resins, in which the resins are found in plants only when injury or incision are made. For example, benzoin and tolu balsam. Next, we will see the occurrence. The occurrence, it is a usually occur in a different secretory zones or structures. Resins, example resin cells, that is a ginger. It is a present in the schizogenous ducts or schizogenous ducts or cavities, example pine wood, or glandular hairs in which the present in the cannabis. Next, properties. Resins are transparent or translucent solid, semi-solid or liquid substances. They complex resins, it is a complex mixture of the several compounds. However, isoprene units are the fundamental building blocks of all the true resins. It is a non-crystalline translucent mass, soften and melt on heating, burns with a smoky flame on ignition, having a specific gravity that the ranges from the 0.9 to 1.25, and contain a large number of the carbon atom, and they are the insoluble in water. They are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent like alcohol, fixed oil, volatile oil, chloral hydrate solution. The thin film of resin on drying becomes hard and transparent, which are unaffected by moisture and air, are usually found in a homogeneous combination with other plants' metabolites and hence collectively known as a resin combination. Why? Because they are usually found in a homogeneous combination with other metabolites, hence it is known as a resin combination. Practically, it is insoluble in water and soluble in alcohol, fixed oil, chloral hydrate solution. It is an end product of the plant. Then majority of them undergo the slow atmospheric oxidation, whereby their color gets dark with a impaired solubility. Acidic resins, when treated with the alkaline solutions, they yield soaps. We will see the next classification of the resins. Resins are classified into the following categories. First, on the basis of their formation. First, it is a physiological resins in which these are formed as a normal product of metabolism without making injury to the plants. And second, it is a pathological resin formed as a result of wound, injury or abnormal circumstances. Example, benzoin, colophony, balsam of tolu, aloe resin, etc. Next, classification on the basis of their chemical nature. First, acid resin. Acid resin, this contain a large portion of the carboxylic acid and phenols, and they combine with alkali and their metallic salt are termed as resinate. An example, abiotic acid, that is a colophony, then copavic acid. Next, resin alcohol. Resin alcohols are also called as resinols. They have a high molecular weight and occur in a both form, that is a free form and combined form. Resinols are tetracyclic or pentacyclic alcohol and are normally, it is a alpha amyrine and beta amyrine derivative. They do not give positive taste with the iron salt. Next, resin phenol. The resin alcohol example, benzoresinol, which is obtained from the benzoin. And next, resin phenol. Resin phenol are also called as a Resinotanols. They have a they also have a high molecular weight and occur in a both free form and combined form. The phenolic group of tannins is combined with resin acids. They give the positive taste with the iron salt. Example, it is a Peru resinotanol from balsam of Peru. Next, ester resin. Ester resin, these are the esters of resin alcohol or resinotanols combined with resin acid or balsamic acid. The examples are the cinnamyl cinnamate from storax and benzyl benzoate from benzoin. Next, resins. These are the neutral and inert substance as they do not contain the characteristics functional group. They do not show any specific chemical properties. They do not form salt or esters and they are not hydrolyzed by alkalis. And these resins, which is a high molecular weight, and the drugs which contain resins are the asafoetida, then guttapercha and colophony. Next, we will see the on the basis of the occurrence with other secondary metabolites. First, oleoresin. Oleoresin, it is a naturally occurring mixture of volatile oils and resin. Example, ginger. And it is a when there is a mixture of the homogeneous mixture of resin and volatile oil, it is termed as a oleoresins. An example, ginger, then copaiba and capsaicin. Then gum resin. These are the homogeneous mixture of the gum and resins. The example, it is a gamboge. Next, oleogum resins. Oleogums, these are the homogeneous mixture of resin, gum and volatile oil like asafoetida, myrrh and turmeric. Then glycoresins. The glycoresins, this is a mixture of it is a resins in combination with the sugar compound via glycosidal linkage. Example, jalap resin, which is obtained from the jalap. Next, balsams. Balsams contain benzoic acid or cinnamic acid or both, and which is either free from or combined form. Next, we will see the chemical test. The resins. After that, we will see the what is the extraction and how to isolate and extract the resins. Resins can be extracted from the plants, animals by any method, by extraction with the alcohol, then precipitating with water. Also, it is also extract by heating the plant part. Also, it is extract by the distillation method, and also it is extract by the various treatment of the excretion obtained from the animal. The identification test, we will see the resins can be identified by the physical and specific chemical test, which is the first identification test. It is a HCl test in which the HCl it is used and it is to form the formation of the pink color and it shows the presence of resin. Next, FeCl3 test. It gives the greenish blue color. Then combined umbelliferon test. It shows the blue fluorescence and green color or red color in which the HCl concentrated NH ammonium hydroxide, nitric acid, then sulfuric acid and washed with the water it is used. Then copper acetate in which the petroleum ether reagent is used and it is a emerald green. It shows the emerald green color. Next, test for the asperidum in which it is diluted with the alcohol solution and ferric chloride. It shows the green color, that is it shows the presence of the resin. Next, test with the test for the myrrh. It is in which the ether plus nitric acid and bromine vapors are reagent used and it shows the purplish violet or violet color will form. Then test for the benzoin. Sumatra benzoin in which the cheminophore it is used, petroleum ether and solution it is used and sulfuric acid it is used. Then observation is that faint odor benzyl aldehyde. and reddish brown odor. That is, it shows it that test indicate the presence of the cinnamic acid. Thank you.